Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to fix our content is overlap on our drop down page menu in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our drop down menu. So when we open it, now you see popular tag overlap, popular text display above, our type activity. Now you see. So we are going to fix it. So first we are going to find out CSS class or ID for this. Now right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open. So find out exact CSS class or ID to highlight all this section. Now you see. So when we click on section class elemental, now you see whole section highlight. So we are going to add that index. Now you see this is our class. So write a Z index. So you can add number 999 or you can add number according to requirement. Now you see overlapping remove. Now disable it. Again you see popular text. Enable Z index again. Now you see hide. So just increase the Z index value of element and overlapping will be fixed in our WordPress website. Now you see. So you can add in additional CSS or custom CSS. Now copy. Go to customize section and then paste and then click on publish. So just increase Z index value of any element, widget, container and your overlapping issue will be fixed. Now publish done. Go to website page again and refresh the page. Now click on it again. Now you see overlapping remove. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.